Hello friends, this is Dhruvi here. If you are seeing my face for the first time, then please do subscribe for my further videos. As I upload my new videos on every Sunday, so you'll get something new to see every Sunday. So do subscribe. And if you have subscribed, then please click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload my video. So today I'll share my hair care routine plus give you some tips for long and healthy hair. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. So as you guys know that I have very long hair. Yeah, it looks beautiful, it looks nice, but it is very difficult to maintain it. As everything, maintaining it's take a lot of time and efforts, whether it's your body, skin or hair. So me having long hair, I am taking care of it since very long time, and everyone has to take care of it. So first I'll start with my routine, like what I do on my hair regularly, and then some tips for you guys. So to have a long hair or short hair is not important, but having a healthy hair is important. Like your hair shouldn't fall, shouldn't have dandruff, or shouldn't even like have split ends. So to avoid that, I'll share my routine, what I regularly do on my hair. I'll start with my hair care routine, how I take care of my hair and how I maintain it. So what I do is, first thing, I always wash my hair twice a week. I wash on Sundays and on Wednesday or Thursday, depend on when I get time. Then you must also wash your hair twice a week. And the ones in school, always put oil in your hair. This is the perfect time you can oil your hair and make it nourished and very strong. Like when I used to be in school, my hair used to never be without oil. Yeah, it looks little bad, but this is the time to get beautiful hair in college. Like that is the main time you girls want to be beautiful and nice. Even for guys, hair will become very nice and smooth. Yeah, putting oil is very sticky and you may not like, but nowadays even you get that non-sticky hair oil, you can even put that. It will not be as much as non-sticky as you expect, but it will be better than the normal oil. I used Parachute oil, coconut oil, which is very nice, and I am using this since I don't even remember. Like I was very small, I am using that. My mom usually puts that only, and I really like it now. Then the second thing I use shampoo is Sunsilk. You can use as per your hair, depend on how your hair is. Your hair may be oily hair or dry hair. Now the question is how to know your hair is oily or dry. You wash your hair, observe for 2 days. After 2 days, how your hair is. Same as it was on the first day when you washed it, or little oily and sticky. If it is little oily and sticky, then your hair is oily. If it is same as it was on the first day, then your hair is dry hair. And for dry hair, you use shampoo which moisturize your hair and gives nourishment and moisturize it fully. And for the people who have oily hair just like me, use something which dries your hair, which help you to dry your hair. And people having dandruff, don't put oil on your hair. Just do one thing, before washing your hair, take some curd and apply it in your hair and then wash it. But don't put oil, as oil is sticky, it will bring more dandruff in your hair. This is what I have observed. I am not expert, but this is what I have observed and my experience says. Even I have put curd many a times in my hair. It really helps. It nourishes your hair. It makes it smooth. It makes it silky. And it really helps to even remove dandruff. And it works just as oil. Take sour curd. The more sour it is, more good it will be for your hair. What you have to do is just take the curd, apply on your scalp, even apply on your hair. It will help you to make your hair silky and nice and smooth. Then keep it for 5 minutes, then wash it. Now the question is, does it smell? Yes, it do smell little, but what you do is, I have a solution for that also. What you do is, apply curd, keep for 5 minutes, then wash your hair, then wash it twice with your shampoo. Then all the smell will go away and it will be really helpful. This works. Literally this works. Now let's go to some tips. Now first thing, having long hair or short hair doesn't matter. It depends on you, on your style and what you like. But having healthy hair, smooth hair and silky hair is more important. And me having long and straight hair this is what my choice is. I don't want any cuts in my hair. I don't like cuts, and I don't even like layers. Yeah, sometimes I feel like I'll cut my hair short, but then I drop the idea. Let's see, but one day surely I'll have my hair short. That's for sure. Now the tips. Don't put your hair open every day. First thing, it even damages your hair. Second thing, it becomes common. Like girls putting your hair open every day, then on occasions it don't be something new for everyone to see. For example, I tie my hair every day, but today is something special. I'll keep my hair open. Then everyone will notice it and compliment me. But if I put my hair every day open, then on special days also it is nothing different. Like it's very common. Second thing, don't go to dusty areas, or if you are going like while traveling on bikes, Activa, or if you are traveling by bus or car and sitting near window and window is open, then always cover your hair with scarf or stole. This will not completely protect your hair, but something is better than nothing. Now the third thing is always trim your hair once or 2 months. Yes, it is important to trim your hair. Yeah, even if you don't want, go and trim it, just because it will help you to remove split ends and it will not form new split ends. And the fourth thing is like apply conditioner or not. Yes, if you are washing twice a week, then apply once a conditioner. Like I don't apply much because I don't need it. My hair are naturally silky and smooth, so I rarely apply, like occasionally. But if you want, you apply once a week. If you're washing 2 times, apply once a week. Then nowadays even I have started applying serum. Like after wash I apply serum, so this avoids knots. So I am not recommending it. Like I don't know, I have just recently started now using that. So let me use, then I'll let you guys know on Instagram or Snapchat. If you are not following me there, just go and follow. You will get updates every time. And the next thing is that don't use much heat in your hair. Like don't use hair dryer or curler machine or straightening machine. I naturally have straight hair, so I don't use it. But if you have curly hair and if you want to straighten it, use it less. Like use it once or twice or 6 months. So this will make your hair very good. So this will not damage your hair. And if you have habit of using a hair dryer, then go and buy hair dryer which gives cold hair. You get in the market. So this will not damage your hair. And the last thing, don't ever use too much of hot water in your hair. Like this will damage your hair. Use warm water or cold water. Warm water is okay, so use that. And always remember, to have long, smooth and nice hair, you have to always put efforts and maintain it. Like even if you buy anything, you have to maintain it. Similarly, if you want nice good hair, you have to maintain it. So do maintain it. Don't ever be lazy to maintain your hair. Like this is part of your body and it gives nice look on your face. Never be lazy to wash your hair. Never be lazy to comb your hair. Like regularly comb your hair. Then never feel lazy to tie a scarf while you go out. Like never be lazy to oil your hair. Like it really works. Like it really works and you'll get results. That's for sure. So don't ever be lazy and do whatever you can do for your hair. And if you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and comment below if you have any more questions on hair or anything other. I'll let you know. Or if you get something new to know from this video, then please do give thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And you can watch my other videos also. Like I have uploaded almost 60 to 70 videos. It will really help you some or the other way. And to watch my other coming videos, do subscribe and click on the bell icon. You'll get notified each time I upload my video. Come on yaar, do subscribe. It will help you some or the other way. I upload my new videos on every Sunday. You'll get something new to see. It will take hardly time to subscribe. Come on, do subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. Bye bye. See you in next video.